Here's how to check audience active time on Instagram. First, click on the three-line button that you can see at the upper right. Scroll down until you see there the account, type, and tools option. Afterwards, you will see there the account type. Make sure that you will switch to professional account. Afterwards, click on the next option and then fill in the necessary details to have successfully transferred your account to professional account. Afterwards, click on the next option after choosing which professional do you have. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and review your contact information. And then after reviewing your contact information, you can now go ahead and connect yourself to Facebook. If not, that's okay. And then click on the professional dashboard. From the professional dashboard of your profile, you will see the audience active time.